Want to boost your website's SEO with internal linking, but aren't sure how to do it efficiently? Let me show you how to use internal link suggestions to boost SEO in this quick 3-minute tutorial. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the tool I recommend. Internal links are a critical part of your website's SEO strategy. Not only do they help search engines crawl your site, but they also help your users navigate through your content more easily. The trick is to use internal link suggestions to make it all more efficient. You can save time, optimize your structure, and make your website SEO friendly without breaking a sweat. So how can you use internal link suggestions to boost your SEO? The first step is to use the right tool. There are plenty of SEO tools out there that offer internal link suggestion features. I've tried several of the most popular ones, and I'm recommending a specific one that's worked wonders for me. The tool I'll show you today not only suggests internal links based on your content, but also helps you make smarter decisions about which pages to link to, improving the overall SEO structure of your site. The process is simple. Once you've set up the tool, it will analyze your existing content and suggest relevant internal links to add. These suggestions are based on keyword relevance, content structure, and page authority. When you add these links, you're telling search engines which pages are most important, and it helps spread the link equity throughout your site. Now, you're probably wondering how to make these suggestions work for you. First, choose the pages that have the highest SEO potential or the pages you want to rank higher in search results. Use internal link suggestions to point to those pages. This helps search engines understand their importance. A big mistake I see many people make is ignoring contextual relevance. Internal links should make sense. If you're linking to a page about email marketing from an article about content creation, it won't be as effective as linking it from another email marketing article. Contextual linking is key to making the most out of your SEO efforts. Next, check the frequency of your internal links. Too many links can make the content look cluttered, and search engines might not know which links to prioritize. Ideally, aim for 3 to 5 internal links per article. This keeps your content natural and SEO friendly. Lastly, monitor your internal link strategy over time. Tools that provide internal link suggestions will also track their effectiveness. See which links are performing well and adjust accordingly to keep improving your SEO. By now, you should have a solid idea of how to use internal link suggestions to boost SEO. To quickly recap, start by using an effective tool for internal link suggestions, focus on linking high authority pages, make sure your links are contextually relevant, and check the frequency to avoid clutter. And don't forget to monitor your strategy's performance regularly. The key takeaway from today's video is that internal linking isn't just about adding links randomly, it's about strategically guiding search engines and users to your most important pages. By using internal link suggestions smartly, you'll improve your SEO, streamline your workflow, and rank higher over time. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial to the SEO tool I mentioned in the description below. This is only available to my viewers, so make sure you take advantage of it. Thanks for watching.